What's up guys, and Galaxy Note is coming. Samsung always launch their two flagship smartphones every year, Galaxy S and Galaxy Note. But this year, things have changed drastically. Samsung said that they will not gonna launch the Galaxy Note 21 in the second half of this year. Instead, they'll skip it entirely and launch the Galaxy Note 22 later next year. They gave two reasons for not launching the Galaxy Note 21. First is the Galaxy S21 and Note 21 are very identical phones. Samsung also gave the S Pen support to the S21 Ultra as well. Second is that there is a global chip shortage, so it's hard for them to make a phone, and that's why they won't launch the Galaxy Note 21 this year. But seems like the reality is quite different, especially the chip shortage, because it's the only flagship that's get affected. None of other Samsung flagships getting affected by it. Samsung approximately sells around 10 million Galaxy Note phones per year, and recently when prices went insane, that number also got reduced. So for a company like Samsung that sells around 300 million smartphones each year, it shouldn't be hard for them to arrange 5 to 7 million chips for a Galaxy Note 21. Plus Note flagships launch in the second half of the year in the time of August, so by that time global chip shortage was expected to ease anyway, and it's indeed happening. So seems like Samsung doesn't want to reveal the truth why they first decided to discontinue the Note and now bringing it back. But yeah, we get to know the real reason why they skipped the Note 21, and it's because their experiment with Galaxy S21 Ultra failed. Despite the S21 Ultra does support S Pen like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but the Note users didn't want to migrate to their series, and there's no wonder why this thing happening. You see, Note users buy a Note phone because of two reasons. First is that it supports a pen that can stay inside the phone, and second, because of Note's boxy design. The S21 Ultra has neither of those, which is the reason why a loyal Note fanbase didn't switch to the S flagship. The Galaxy S21 Ultra was doing much better in terms of sales initially, but it went down ever since, and I'm happy about it because as a result, Note is coming back. This year, instead of launching the Galaxy Note 21 in August, there will be Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 smartphones to take on Note 21. We have already seen Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip 3 in pretty much all its glory. Make sure to check that videos out, and do let me know, are you happy about Note coming back? Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I'll catch you in the next one.